Hello and welcome back to another daily Dream League pack opening. It's Saturday, awesome day. Just played a Pokemon TCGO, T trading, yeah, Pokemon TCGO. Played some WoW. Oh man, and looked on eBay for some deals if there were any. Not a whole lot. A lot of people paying a lot of money for cards. Alright, and today we start off with a Dewpider. Nice. Hit Onyx. This cool art. Hit. Ooh, type null. This little helmet thing. And got a rare today. Ooh, I think it's a GX. I think we did it. The yellow. I think yellow is tag team. So that means we've got. Did we get it? Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. I knew it was in here. We're almost done. The Lunala. No, it's Sogaleo. Sogaleo and Lunala GX with Lily. Lily on the back there. That is so cool. What an epic double rare. Oh man, I was so scared we weren't going to get it. And Natu in the back. Woo! Woo! We got it! Oh yeah! Look how beautiful this is. Oh snap. It's kind of leaning to the left a little bit. But that's okay. Oh, I might want to, well, I'll probably look up and see if it's worth a lot. But this is the normal double rare, so it's not a special alternate one. This is part of the, come on, you can do it. You can do it. There, it's part of the normal 49 set. What's up? What's up with this? You can do it. Uh, there. I just have to put it right in the center of the screen. There, number 20 of 49. What a crazy good artwork. Let it. And now it does not want to refocus. That's okay. We'll just. I don't know what happened. We'll just finish it off like this, and then I guess we'll check it out tomorrow. Sorry. Oh wait, here. We'll check it off. Check it off of our master. Number 20. Just have to pretend that you can see it. Alright. Yeah, nope. Don't like that. Enough fiddling around with that. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. We'll figure out the we'll figure out the focusing, and I will see you guys tomorrow.